Want to study Japanese language? Visit our Facebook page at Plastone School. Or you can click the link in the description. Sign up now and create your future with us. You can also visit our YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to be updated on our latest videos. Plastone Language School Incorporated.
Hello everyone, my name is Maureen J. from Pullman. In this video, we will be discussing about to omoimasu or to itte imashita. To omoimasu or to itte imashita. To quote a person's utterance or thoughts, you use a clause ending with a predicate in the short form plus to omoimasu, to itte imashita, and so forth. To is a quotation particle which does the job of both English word that in indirect quotation and of quotation marks in direct quotation. To omoimasu pertains to I think that or sa tingin ko, while to itte imashita pertains to they said or sabi ni. In English, that a, where a is an idea, thought, or something that is heard, asked, said, thought about, etc. Our pattern for to omoimasu is plain form plus to omoimasu. For the verb, we use the plain form of a verb. For example, dekiru to omoimasu. I think that I can do it. Or, sa tingin ko, kaya kong gawin. For e-adjective, our example here is sugoi to omoimasu. I think that it is amazing. The next one is na adjective. Our example here is kirei da to omoimasu. I think it is beautiful. Number 4 is noun da to omoimasu. Our example here is nichi yobi da to omoimasu. I think that it is Sunday. And next is particle da to omoimasu. Our example here is goji kara da to omoimasu. I think that it is from 5 o'clock. Our first example is watashi wa Takeshi-san wa Mary-san ga suki da to omoimasu. I think Takeshi likes Mary. Sa tingin ko, gusto ni Takeshi si Mary. Next one is sore wa kanari muzukashi da to omoimasu. I think that it is extremely difficult. Sa tingin ko, sobrang hirap to. Okay, note, if to omoimasu or to omo are at the end of the sentence, the subject is always the first person, meaning the one who is doing the thinking is the first person. Next example is kyou wa gogo kara ame ga furu to omoimasu. Kyou wa gogo kara ame ga furu to omoimasu. I think that it will rain today from the afternoon. Sa tingin ko, uulan ngayon mula hapon. Next is ashita no tenki wa samui to omoimasu. Ashita no tenki wa samui to omoimasu. I think the weather is cold tomorrow. I think the weather is cold tomorrow. Sa tingin ko, malamig bukas. However, if you want to state I don't think, we use nai to omoimasu or nai to omo. Our example here is kyou wa gogo kara ame ga furanai to omoimasu. Kyou wa gogo kara ame ga furanai to omoimasu. I don't think it will rain today from the afternoon. Next is ashita no tenki wa samu kunai to omoimasu. I don't think the weather is cold tomorrow. The next one is to imashita and to itte imashita, which means said. Somebody said that. However, they differ when it comes to the following. To imashita is used if you were not there when they said it, while to itte imashita is used when you were there when somebody said it, or I heard them saying. Our pattern here is speaker wa, sentence to iimashita or to itteimashita. For example, kyou wa kugatsu hatsuka desu. Kyou wa kugatsu hatsuka desu. Ngayon, i-quote mo siya. Since narinig mo siya directly, sasabihin natin, Tanaka-san wa kyou wa kugatsu hatsuka desu to itteimashita. Ngayon, sabi naman dito, Onaka ga suita, I'm hungry. Sabi ni Maggie, siya ay gutom. So, sabi naman ni Tanaka-san, Maggie-san wa onaka ga suita to itteimashita. Sabi ni Maggie-san, siya ay gutom. However, kung hindi ka naman present, you can say, Sensei wa ashita shiken ga aru to iimashita. Sabi daw ni Sensei, merong exam bukas. Wala ka dun nung sinabi, but you heard na sinabi ng Sensei nyo na bukas may exam.